Hello my beautiful dolls and my beautiful sunshines, welcome back to this your channel. On this video I'm bringing you a collaboration video with Romelias Nails Design. On YouTube you could find her as Maria Smith, and we'll be doing a free design. We didn't agree on one certain design, so we'll be just doing a free design. I'll put a link below on the comments so you guys can go check out her video as soon as you're done with mine. Or if you're here from hers, welcome back, welcome to my channel. I'm showing you here what I'll be using, which was the Neon Rose from Exotic, the Nude from Exotic, this mix from Sweetheart Nails. It's called Little Shorty's Lipo Lipstick. I think that's how it's pronounced. And I will be using my VioLeT mix from the collection I was selling. And I will also be using my Kolinsky brush number 8 from the Bowen company. I found that on eBay. You guys could just search Bowen Kolinsky brushes and they'll pop up. So first I'm going to be applying the nude in an angled position on the cuticle area and at the top, at the tip of the nail, in an angled position as well. And then next I will be applying the Neon Rose and kind of sweeping it up, as well as the Violet, and sweeping it down, kind of making the ombre effect, or faded, or whatever you want to call it, in the center area of it. And my next step on this nail is gonna be, I'm gonna dip my X-Acto knife in powder, and I'm gonna like kind of slice in like a angle. Like I would try to make like a fan thing, but I kind of messed up. Sorry, my knife is all messed up. So, and I'm pretty far away from myself, so the nail could be on camera, so I couldn't really see what I was doing. So don't worry, I'll fix that at the end of the video so you can't see the crooked part. You know, crystals fix everything. So on the next nail I will be using the glitter I showed you, and I will be trying to shape it into a triangle as high as I can, and then I'm gonna let it dry on its own. I kind of just dipped my brush in clear acrylic and then dipped it in a container with this mix. I find I save a whole lot of acrylic that way, because when your client chooses one, only that client chooses it, and you have all this acrylic in the glitter container. So I just try to put the glitter and then I just dip it. So yeah, it's a really beautiful mix. I had asked on Facebook and Instagram which one should I use. A lot of them said the Bahama mix from Angel 24, but a client beat me to it, so I decided to just do this. And here I'll be doing the reverse almond technique. You guys, when I don't do this for a while, I kind of lose the practice, so I'm really bad at shaping it again and encapsulating it. I was really getting good at it when it was in a lot, but I I need to practice on this one right here. And if you guys see, I'm not really like, I didn't, how to explain this, like it's kind of lifting. It's because I put clear polish under the clear acrylic because I will be removing this set after the video. Just so I could bring a little bit more videos to you guys. So yeah, and then there you go. I shaped it as best as I could, and I guess I'm not that far off, but I still need to work on it a little bit. Then I add my mix of violet around the almond, and then I sweep it up. And if I get some on the almond, I just clean it up right now with my brush. And then I pick up the glitter and I sweep it from the tip to towards the cuticle or to the almond area. I just kind of fix it around. I love chunky mixes. I don't know about you guys, but I love chunky mixes. I love the way they look. I like any kind, but I know there's people are not fans of the chunky mixes. I like them. And then on my pinky, I add, I'm going to do ombre as well. I add the violet to the tip and I sweep it down. And then I get the nude and I sweep it from the cuticle area to the top. Again, you guys, I apologize. I'm pretty far away from my camera. On my other channel, I show you guys how I'll be showing you guys how I record and how far I am from my camera. Although I try to get close, but then I'll be covering the camera. Here I changed my mind because the ring finger was violet, and I don't want to put violet with violet. And I ended up doing the pink instead of the violet, which probably will give it like a double view. Bottom looks different color. I didn't think about to show you that, but that's probably what it looks like. And on my thumb, I'll be doing the violet. Same thing I did to my pinky finger. And so here I was forgetting to finish my middle nail. So I ended up doing the filing like I said, just to kind of give it the shape, and then add the two colors I'm using onto the tip of the nail. In this case, I'm not going to ombre it. I'm just going to put pink on one side and violet on the other side. So I'll let you see that. Okay, so here I'm encapsulating. I don't show you too much because of how far my hand is and the position I have to have my hand to encapsulate from far away, so I could kind of see what I'm doing. I only show you, I believe, 2 nails, but I do have real-time videos in 3 steps. Like there's 3 videos of how I do everything. If you're interested, I'll link it down in my comments. Or you could as well just go down my channel and search for it. So yeah, I'll just be encapsulating these 2 middle nails, I believe. Okay, once I'm done, I didn't file on camera just because I've done that in other videos. Like I said, if you're interested in seeing the real time, it's in my channel somewhere, and I'll also, if I remember, I'll link it down below because I have a bad memory. And I'm applying primer on the nail, on all the nails that I'm gonna put rhinestones on, because I feel like it helps them hold on a little longer, or they've held on till my next fill most of the time, all the time. And I'll be using the exotic nail resin glue. So yeah, my throat is starting to bother me, guys. So I'll be gluing a crystal right here. They're not Swarovskis, they're just, I think these are called Czech crystals or something like that. And then the other ones I bought from Exotic, they're mixed. The ones I got from Exotic and the ones I got from eBay, because they're the same size. They're crystals, but they don't specify which they are. They don't lose their shine or anything, so I'm good with that. Because a lot of clients don't want to pay the price of the Swarovski, and I'm not going to spend Swarovski money on that. Although I do have some, I don't use them for my practice nails. And if the clients wants bling, this is a good alternative. And I'm using my little stick that I just got for the rhinestones. It's like a katana imitation, I'm guessing, or something. So yeah, it works really, really good. I liked it. I bought it off of eBay for like $3, so pretty good. And then, you know, like I said, I'll just be gluing the rhinestones, and I'll be applying the gel elixir top coat on all my nails. And then you'll have the end, oh, and then the cuticle oil, of course, and then you'll have the end results. Okay, my loves, I hope you like this collaboration video with Romelias Nails. Again, her link will be down below. You can see the image on the beginning of my video. As soon as you're done watching my video, go run in to see hers, because after this, I'm going to see hers as well. Well, as soon as she uploads hers and I upload mine. But yeah, go see hers right after this, okay? I hope you like the end results. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. Also, thank you to all my new subscribers for being here. Thank you for my faithful subscribers. I really, really appreciate your likes, comments, and shares. God bless you all. And like I said, again, hugs, kisses, and squeezes. God bless you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Love ya.